Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to delete Search Story Microsoft Outlook on computer. So how to delete Search Story Microsoft Outlook on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Microsoft Outlook on your computer. And this is the initial display on Microsoft Outlook. To delete the search story in Microsoft Outlook, just go. Direct the cursor to the upper right corner of the computer screen. Here there is a setting icon. And tap. Here there are many menu options that you can use. Select the General menu. Now in the General menu there are many menus. Tap the Privacy and Data menu. Now in this menu, scroll down to find the Search menu. Now here there are two menu options. Delete History. Before continuing, please note, deleting search history in Outlook helps maintain privacy, improve performance, and reduce cache buildup. However, you need to retype the keywords that have been searched because the history is no longer stored. This deletion does not affect email or other data. So that's it, tutorial how to delete Search Story Microsoft Outlook on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.